best things about having a service dog is...
Dress? We'll go bye-byes?
That one goes, whee! The look on your mom's face.
How did you manage to do...
Guys, one of the best things about having a service dog is, like, it's currently not even 4 o'clock in the morning, and I just woke up in a lot of pain, and so I real gently just did this, which is my command for calling Kiana to come up lay next to me, and she just, no problem, comes up, lays down, happy as can be, no problem, doesn't care. Honestly, I feel worse than she does. I mean, there are nights that I feel like I keep her up all night, but I don't. Because she'll come up here, plop down, and fall back to sleep. I mean, does it look like she cares? I don't think so. Morning, guys. It's actually afternoon, but anyway, we're going to get food, and then we have to take Buddy to the vet. Then I don't know what we're gonna do. It was kind of funny. I woke up and texted Mom to see what time she was gonna get off, and she's like, actually, I'm in my room. I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, the dogs didn't hear me come in. I'm like, I know I didn't hear you, but I was asleep. So I guess the dogs were sleeping pretty good this morning too, because generally they hear Mom come home. So we're at the vet. I have no idea what's up with this old man. Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
You're not even looking at the camera, buddy. I think he's being camera shy. But yeah, he's lost a lot of weight, even though he's eating more than I think he's ever eaten. So I hope they can figure out what's going on. He's lost, what'd they say, like 1.5 pounds in 2 months?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good. Well, they weren't able to figure out anything definite with Buddy. They just said to increase his food and to see if we could get his weight to stabilize. Sorry I didn't do more vlogging today, guys, but night.